mixed fraction, we would have like 2 3/5, right? If we think about these wholes, right? We've got 1, 2, we've got 2 holes filled in. And then we have, I've kind of painted myself into a corner, but we have fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, that was pretty decent. So 2 3/5, right? So this is 3/5. This is 5/5. This is 5/5. So we've got 5 plus 5 plus 3. So this would be 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So that's 13 over 5. But here's the easiest way to do it. So this is like conceptually what's going on, right? But then when you're doing this, like in the moment, you're not going to want to like draw out these little pie charts. And you saw me struggle with this fifths drawing, like, woof. So what the easiest thing to do is to take the big number, the 2, and multiply it by the denominator. Because that really means, that means that I have 2 full fifths, right? I have 2 full circles that are filled with the fifths. So 2 times 5 is 10. And then you do plus 3 equals 13 over 5, right? So you would do the big number times the denominator and then add the 3 or add the top, right? And then that's what your new numerator is. And the denominator stays the same.